In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sendpulse API ID and secret key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these credentials and how to handle them safely so you can connect your tools or request access tokens without any confusion. First, sign into your Sendpulse account using your usual login method. Make sure you're on the correct account or workspace if you manage more than one. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so the menus are easy to see, but the navigation is similar on most screens. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile avatar. That opens a small menu with account-related options. From there, select Account Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area for your profile and integrations. Inside Account Settings, find and click the API tab. This is where Sendpulse keeps everything related to programmatic access. On this page, you may see a control to enable API access. Make sure it's turned on. When API access is enabled, the page will reveal the credentials you need for integrations. After it's enabled, you'll see two important fields, API ID and secret key. Think of the API ID as your public identifier. It helps services know which account they're talking to. The secret key is the sensitive part, similar to a password for your integrations. Treat it with care and never share it publicly. Go ahead and copy both values. A quick tip: paste them into a secure place immediately, such as a trusted password manager or a safe notes app you use for credentials. If you're a developer, consider saving them as environment variables rather than hard-coding them in your code. Keep in mind that anyone with access to your secret key can act on your behalf through the API, so avoid sending it over chat or email and don't upload it to public repositories. You'll use the API ID and secret key to request an access token or to connect external tools like automation platforms, CRMs, or your own applications. Many integrations will ask for both fields in their connection settings, so having them handy will save time. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your profile menu, go to Account Settings, click the API tab, enable API access, and then copy the API ID and secret key. Store them securely, and you're ready to integrate Sendpulse with the tools you rely on. Thanks for watching, and happy building.